Hello folks, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've posted a video. I've been busy thinking of recipes to make food with and share with you. Today I'm going to show you what I've been working on. This is not a how-to, but what is to come of my videos. So make sure you like and subscribe and put the click the notification button. So when I post the recipes for this yummy food, you're notified and you can follow, okay? What we have here is first, what's up with the pears and the avocados. It's just a pear tree on our property. Wild Haven Acres is going crazy. These are Bartlett pears. We're going to be making yummy stuff with this. So again, make sure you subscribe so you can follow. Today here, what we have is 3 different recipes. I'm going to show you what each one is. This one is chicken breast. This is chicken satay. It's a peanut sauce, Asian style. Very delicious and very healthy. Over here we have Asian coleslaw with sesame seeds on top, a lot of cabbage, red onions, carrots, something I'm missing, peppers, like yellow bell peppers, or whatever you like to substitute. Oh my God, my mouth is watering. This is a delicious coleslaw, very healthy for you. Cabbage, lots of fiber, lots of vitamins, minerals, and all the good stuff. Now here's my heart. Oh, well, I have 2 hearts. This is a cutlet of garbanzo beans, potatoes, and some other secret ingredients. So if you want to learn how to make this, again, like and subscribe, okay? And these little guys here are garbanzo bean snacks. These are delicious. I have a video already on my channel how to make these. Very excellent source of fiber and yumminess. So if you like what you see, you want to learn how to make this, like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so when I post a new video, you can be notified and be the first to watch. Thank you. I love all my subscribers. You guys are wonderful. You are making this channel what it is, inspiring me to cook and come up with new recipes. I have a whole bunch more coming up. I have one coming up with clams, Pismo clams. Make sure, again, you follow so you can see that. Take care. Live, laugh, love, be kind to animals, be kind to each other, and I'll see you in my next video.